Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Leeh versus اشمعنى. Okay, what are the shades of meaning and the difference between these two words? That's what we will know in today's episode, so let's start. At the beginning, spoken Egyptian is not Arabic. I said this many times in my episodes, and this fact makes it easy for us to understand what's going on here and the difference between Leeh and اشمعنى. Actually, Egyptians use the more standard Arabic component in spoken Egyptian, and it's a pretty large component. Let's say about 70%, 60 to 70% of Egyptian is Arabic, more standard Arabic, but there's the remaining 40 or 30% is actually a combination of ancient Egyptian, Turkish, other words from, let's say, English, French, Greek, Italian, and so on. So it's like a mixture, okay? A very rich mixture of different languages that are melted together or were melted together throughout the history to form what we know as the spoken Egyptian dialect. And knowing this, it will be easy for us to explain here the difference between these two, Leeh and اشمعنى. Okay, we will take each one separately and talk about it in more detail. So let's talk first about Leeh. Leeh comes from لماذا, okay, لماذا or لما in more standard Arabic. So more standard Arabic, we don't have Leeh. We have لماذا or لما, which is why. But Egyptians heard this لماذا and لما, and they found it a little bit hard to say, so they transformed with time into Leeh. Okay, Leeh, just Leeh. Okay, so when you say, for example, why, you simply say in Egyptian ليه. ليه كده, ليه كده, why this, ليه كده. Okay, انت ليه عملت كده, why did you do this, انت ليه عملت كده, or عملت كده ليه, عملت كده ليه. And there's also an important, or let's say a very famous song in Egyptian called من غير ليه, without why, من غير ليه. So Leeh here is why, and it comes from lima or لماذا, Leeh. Now let's talk about اشمعنى. اشمعنى is another Egyptian word that is pretty famous and very well known, very common, and we say اشمعنى, which means actually why as well. So we say اشمعنى. First of all, I will tell you something about the origin, or some information about the origin of اشمعنى, and then the use of اشمعنى. When do we use اشمعنى instead of ليه? The origin of اشمعنى, actually, it comes directly from more standard Arabic as well. اشمعنى, we can divide it into ish and معنى. معنى. معنى in modern standard Arabic means meaning. معنى. ما معنى ذلك? What is the meaning of this? معنى. Okay, so معنى, it means meaning. إيش معنى? What is the meaning? What is the meaning? And Egyptians used this combination, or the combination of these two words, in order to form a new word, which is إيش معنى, اشمعنى, اشمعنى, which is actually why. Now let's talk about the use of اشمعنى. Okay, so you know now that اشمعنى and ليه are identical. They both mean why. Okay, so why do we use اشمعنى and why do we use ليه? Okay, ليه is used everywhere and in every occasion. This is the typical meaning of why in Egyptian. So you can always use ليه. Okay, ليه كده؟ ليه كده؟ Okay, بتعمل ليه كده? Why do you do this? Okay, so ليه is universal. You can do it in any or use it in any situation in spoken Egyptian. On the other hand, اشمعنى has a sarcastic flavor. Has a sarcastic flavor. This is very important. And you may not find this shade of meaning explained anywhere else other than lingua meet, so pay attention. If you say اشمعنى, you have a sarcastic flavor or a sarcastic, let's say, gesture while saying why. Okay, so usually اشمعنى, you say اشمعنى while you are not satisfied with this action. Okay, اشمعنى. So when you say, for example, your brother will eat this large piece of cake and you will eat a smaller one. So the typical, you say ليه, why? But sometimes if you say اشمعنى, or kids say اشمعنى, اشمعنى, it has the meaning that it's why, and I am also not satisfied. I am not happy with it. So it's like more than the meaning of why. It's why plus sarcastic or sarcasm, or why plus not satisfaction. That is the way or the meaning of اشمعنى. Okay, and اشمعنى usually you can also hear it if you have like a fight. If you hear a fight in the street and the fight has, or you have a fight between two females, you may also, two ladies, and you may also hear اشمعنى from the ladies more than ليه. Okay, so here اشمعنى, it's very important to know that اشمعنى, it's also why, but with a sarcastic manner, sarcastic flavor, or with unsatisfied gesture, while ليه is just why. So let's summarize. Now you know the shades of meaning between ليه and اشمعنى. ليه, you can use it anywhere, anytime. Okay, so always use ليه, and this is simply why. Okay, why? I want to understand why. But اشمعنى, on the other hand, is ليه, but I am also adding my own another flavor or my own feeling to it. Why? And I am not happy. Why? And I'm sarcastic. Okay, another important also thing that we already said is the origin. So ليه came from لماذا or لما in modern standard Arabic, while اشمعنى came from إيش and معنى. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? I want to understand what is the meaning behind all this. اشمعنى. So اشمعنى, اشمعنى, اشمعنى. So that was our episode today. I hope it was useful and it was entertaining for you. If you have any question about these two words, just drop me a comment in the comment section. And also don't forget to enroll 100% free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Don't forget also to follow me on social media and share this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot and see you in a future episode. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Lingua Meet. ليه versus اشمعنى. Okay, what is the shades of meaning and the difference between these two words? That's what we will know in today's episode, so let's start.